Students, all of you, good morning. In the previous class, we already discussed about the types of fractions. The definition of fraction and how many types of fractions are there. We learned all the types of fractions along with examples. I think all of you practiced all the types of fractions along with examples in a proper way at home. Now, I am going to tell you about ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger is called ascending order. For example, 22, 23, 25, 29, 31, 39. See, among all these numbers, what is the smallest number? 22. Next, 23, 25, 29, 31, 39. See, I arrange all these numbers from smaller number to the bigger number. That's why this arrangement is called ascending order. This order is called ascending order. Now let's go for the second one. Descending order. Arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller is called descending order. See, I took some numbers here. 19, 15, 30, 12, 9, 7, 5. How I ordered these numbers, you see, just how I arrange these numbers, you see, which is among all the numbers, which is the biggest number? 19. After that, 15. Next, 13, 12, 9, 7, 5. And how I arrange these numbers? From bigger number to the smaller number. That's why this arrangement of numbers is called descending order. Understand? Ascending order and descending order. Arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger is called ascending order. And descending order means what? Arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller is called descending order. Okay. Now actually for these two definitions, I took two examples here. I wrote some numbers here. All these numbers actually these are natural numbers. Here and here. Just we took here natural numbers only. So whatever it so, now we should try to write the ascending order and descending order for fractional numbers also. Fractional numbers also we should try to write this ascending order and descending order. Now once again let us know what is ascending order. What is ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger is called ascending order. Okay. Here, now we should try one example with the fractional numbers to write their ascending order. Okay. Now let us take some fractions as our example. First one, 4 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 11 by 3, 7 by 3. For these 5 fractions, we have to write ascending order. Okay. To solve this one, just we have to follow this. Here you just observe what are all the denominators. Here all denominators are same. What is that same means? Here what are the all denominators? That is 3. Okay. Now compare the numerators. These are called numerators. We already discussed in fraction definition in previous class. Okay. We have to compare these numerators. Here, what are the numerators? 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. Okay. These are the numerators. Now, what is this indicating? 1, we know 1 is less than 2. That means smaller than 2. 2 less than 4, 4 less than 7, 7 less than 11. Okay. Now you just observe, if 1 is smaller than 2, then you write the numerators also. 1 by 3. If 1 is less than 2, 1 by 3 is also less than 2 by 3. If 1 is less than 2, 1 by 3 is also less than 2 by 3. Like that here also. If 2 less than 4, 2 by 3 is also less than 4 by 3. Like that all. 4 is less than 7 means 4 by 3 less than 7 by 3. If 7 less than 11 means 7 by 3 is less than 11 by 3. So now automatically now we got our ascending order. See, therefore ascending order is equals to 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3, 11 by 3. Here you just observe all the numerators 1, 2, 4, 7, 11. Okay. This 1 is smaller than 2, and that means 1 is very small. That's why 1 by 3 is very smaller fraction, and 11 by 3 is the biggest fraction among all these fractions. That's why this is the ascending order for our example fractions. Okay. Now let us know what is descending order. Arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller is for a descending order. Okay, for this one we have to take some example fractions. Those are 4 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 11 by 3, 7 by 3. Already these fractions we took for ascending order also. Now the same fractions we took, then you can understand how to write ascending order and descending order for the same fractions. Okay. So these are our fractions as our example. Now we have to follow the steps. Here, first we have to identify what are the denominators, how they are. Here, all denominators are same. How the denominators are? All are same. See, all are 3 shown. That's why our denominators are 3. Next, now compare the numerators. So just compare the numerators. What are there? First you see 4, 2, 1, 11 and 7 are the numerators of the fractions. Now we have to compare those fractions. Okay, that 5 fractions we have to compare. Like here, is follow this one. Here we are comparing no. So that's why 11 is greater than 7, is greater than 4, is greater than 2, is greater than 1. Okay, that means 11 is greater than 7. Means 11 by 3 is automatically greater than 7 by 3. If 7 is greater than 4, 7 by 3 is also greater than 4 by 3. If 4 is greater than 2, then 4 by 3 is also greater than 2 by 3. If 2 is greater than 1, 2 by 3 is also greater than 1 by 3. Okay. So therefore, our descending order is equals to 11 by 3, 7 by 3, 4 by 3, 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. Okay students. Now how do you understand how to write the ascending order and descending order for the fractional numbers? I think you people understand how to write ascending and descending orders for the fractions or fractional numbers. Okay, is it clear to all? Okay. Okay children, we already discussed about what is fraction and types of fractions, and after that ascending order and descending order for the given fractions. How to write ascending order and descending orders for the given fractions. Okay, now I am going to give you a small exercise for you. You have to complete at home. Okay. See, write ascending order and descending order to the following: A. 15 by 9, 2 by 9, 14 by 9, 5 by 9 and 6 by 9. B1, 1 by 13, 14 by 13, 21 by 13, 9 by 13 and 5 by 13. For these two sums, you have to write ascending order and descending order. Okay. Thank you.